guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to be going to Sprout Home in Chicago. Everybody talks about it. I think they have another location in Brooklyn. My sister-in-law told me about it a long time ago, and I've seen them all over Instagram. All right, guys, so come with us. Let's go. So we just pit stopped because we're photographers, and Chicago has a ton of city murals like all over random buildings, and that's one of the pretty cool things about Chicago. And we found one that they just did, and it's one of me and my husband's favorite actors and my husband's favorite Disney movie ever, Aladdin. Look at this mural. Come with me. Let me show you. I mean, size comparison. Look at this.
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready, how do I reach you? I'm thinking about us, you're thinking about it too.
Alright guys, we're here. Let's go. Alright, so I found a Hoya publicalis, I don't know. But look at this price. $14.50 for the size. It looks really, really good. It's in great shape. There's like one little damage there, but I mean, it's not trailing yet. But I think I'm gonna have to get this, guys. Look at this Stingray. Awesome, right? I don't know, I might want it. It's got a new growth here. You could see that. A new leaf coming in. I'm gonna think about it. Philodendron gloriosum, guys. Look at this leaf. The markings on that. It's $99. Babe, what do you think?
Yes.
Ooh, it's a little humid in here. That's why the plants are also very happy. This is a Zandischia. I'm probably saying that wrong. But is this in the philodendron or alocasia family? It looks like an alocasia, right? I don't know. But I like it. They have anthuriums. Look at the length of this leaf. Look at how long this leaf is. I mean, head test. This is $45. Not too bad for this type of rare plant. Oh my gosh. Alocasia macrohiza. I'll show the name, but it's also known as an Adora. I don't know how to pronounce that. But look at the markings on these leaves, guys. They're almost like camouflage. Army colors, right? Isn't this pretty? It's got a ton of new growth. This leaf looks like it's yellowing. It'll probably fall off, but this looks like it's the most mature leaf on the plant, so that happens. But $29. But we're taking it. Okay, so I've never heard of this. Anthurium brownii. It's $73. Look at the leaves. Look at how cool these leaves are. This is just like probably from watering the spots on there. That's not like a marking, but the shape of these leaves are like pronounced hearts. Oh, so pretty though. This store has some rare plants, guys. They have a Dischidia here. They have a couple of them, guys. These are also known as like a shingle plant because they grow up on sphagnum moss and shingle out. Isn't that cool? And it's like flat against it, which I think is so awesome. This one is $55, which, I mean, I've seen them all over the internet, so that is not a bad price. Whether I can do it or not, again, talk to the man behind the camera. Hoya wyetii. Look at how long this is trailing. It's so pretty. It's $28 for a 6-inch pot. That's not bad. There's a lot of new growth in here. And I mean, it's trailing. So this is an area of the store where you can make your own terrarium, which I think is pretty cool because they have like this entire shelf here with succulents, cacti. This back wall here, you can pretty much pick your vessel and make your own terrarium. They have some pretty cool ones already made here.
Higher and higher, I'm gonna raise the flag. Fire, oh fire, send out a flare to find. Give me a reason. I'm gonna send a sign, calling you over, calling you to my life.
While I can't always afford it, if you can get your hands on some black gold soil, this is the way to go, guys. Happy place. This is so pretty out here, guys. I would live out here. Maybe I should try to get a job here. Or just water plants all day long. Can you see me out here just... What do you do for a living, Nicole? Oh, I water plants and do YouTube. Goals, guys. This is heavy. I hope it doesn't break. We also bought a planter, which we did not film, so I'm gonna show that to you when I get back home. I'll do an overall plant haul when we get back home, but... Yay. All right, let's go. Hey guys, I'm home, and we are going to do a little plant haul from Sprout Home. Oh my gosh, this place. That definitely won't be the last time that I'm there. It was so cool in there. If you like houseplants and you're in Chicago, this is definitely a place you need to check out. There's not a lot of places like them in Chicago. Super cute. And the planters there are amazing, which I got one. So we're gonna talk about that. The first one I got was my Hoya publicalis. If I'm saying that wrong, let me know. But look at the foliage on this sucker right here. I cannot wait to get this potted up. It's so pretty. I'm so excited that I finally got one of these to add to my Hoya collection after I just did a Hoya collection video. The next plant that I got is this alocasia, and I'm gonna say this wrong again. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Macroorhiza. They call it an Adora. So it's pretty much a variegated elephant plant. Look at these leaves, guys. So pretty. I'm gonna drop one down here. So pretty. Okay, the next thing that I got was this amazing planter. Guys, look at the detail on this. Yes, it's more than I like to spend on planters, but it is concrete, so it's porous. I'm a terracotta girl. I like porous planters. And I just thought that the detail on this was kind of unmatchable. I've never seen anything like this before, even on the saucer. So, and it's got little feet on it, so it's raised up in case you put it on like a piece of furniture or something, because if the water sits in the saucer, it will seep through the saucer onto your furniture. So make sure you have it raised up if you're gonna let water sit in your saucer. Here's the back side of it, handmade in Italy. So I just thought that this was super cute, and we had to get it. It was a splurge, but my husband loves me, so. Does your husband love you? It's another plane, guys. That damn flight pattern again. Sorry, kids. Okay, the last thing we got was black gold soil. I don't necessarily splurge on soil often. I know I should. If you're buying a plant that costs money, you should buy good organic soil, but it's expensive. Sorry, black gold, but you're expensive. I picked some up today. It wasn't that bad. It was 10 bucks for this bag, which is pretty typical of black gold. And I got all-purpose potting mix. I can feel it's got some orchid bark, perlite. I'm sure it has that in it. I've used this before. So I'm gonna use this to plant up all my plants. And maybe we'll do another video on that. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me on this Sprout Home Tour. Shop with me plant haul. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And be sure to check out Sprout Home if you're in Chicago. And hey, if you want to come to Chicago to see me and come shop with me, I'll take you there. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.